Hello there, fabulous, welcome back. So in today's video we're gonna be testing out this product right here. Yes, the Ardell Magnetic Lashes, and I know there are quite a bit of videos out there on this product already, but I wanted to test them out myself and I wanted to see if I can make them work. I'm actually going to be testing out another YouTuber's hack on this video because she made them work and they looked amazing. I'll leave her link below. Her name is Dana Stroben. I hope I'm saying that right. If not, please Dana, let me know in the comments below. She made them work so well, so I kind of want to make that work for this video as well if I'm not able to apply them on their own just like that, but we're going to be trying that out as well. So if you want to see me applying on these puppies right here and see how that goes, keep on watching. Okay guys, I wanted to bring you in a little bit closer. So the ones that I order are the double Demi Wispies, and that's what they look like right there on the packaging. I ordered mine from Amazon and they were about $13, so not too expensive. As you guys know, if you've seen my videos, I don't wear a lot of fake lashes just because they're just so high maintenance, guys, that I just don't want to do the work. They take so much time to put on. I'm not good at them, so because I don't wear them a lot, I don't have a lot of practice, so that makes sense. It just takes too much work. I'm lazy, I don't want to do it. So if these work, that would be a solution for me and to be able to wear these more often. And also because I don't want to ruin my natural lashes. I know that gluing on lashes can really ruin your natural lashes, and I don't want to do that to my lashes because they're not the greatest lashes as they are right now. So I don't want to damage them when they're not already, you know, the best lashes ever. So I kind of read the instructions already. It says that remove them from the tray and you just basically apply them just like that. You put one coat of mascara, which I already have, and try to make these puppies work. So we'll see. Okie dokie guys, let me bring you guys in even closer so you can see how these are applied. Well, hello there guys. Okay, so here we have the top one, and I think you're just supposed to lay it on top of your own lashes. And these look like they're gonna be huge. I mean, I can already tell they might be a little bit too big for my eyes because I don't have the biggest eyes out there either. Oh my god. These are already really frustrating to put on. What in the world? I don't even know if I'm in focus, guys, so forgive me if I'm not in focus while I'm putting these on. Oh my god, I look so weird with lashes. Let's try to scoot these up a little bit more. Oh my god, these are obnoxiously big, guys. What in the world? Okay, what if I bend them a little bit like this? Yep, I dropped them. Okay. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm just gonna try to apply the one that goes under, and it basically looks like the same thing. Are these going to be like obnoxiously big on me? I don't even know. Okay, here we go guys. Oh my god, what is happening? What is happening? Okay, so the top one fell off already while I was trying to apply the other one. Let me go grab some tweezers and see if that works a little bit better. Okay guys, I got my tweezers, so we're gonna try this again. And I dropped them on... Okay, it's all good, it's all good. Okay, we're gonna grab them from here and we're gonna try to apply them, position them. Oh my goodness. Is this the most frustrating thing ever or what? Seriously guys, I don't even remember when the last time that I applied lashes was. So I don't even have experience applying the regular lashes, not to mention this one that seems like they have a huge learning curve. I don't even know what's happening here. Does it even matter which ones are going on the top or the bottom? Okay, we got it on there now. Let's try to apply the bottom lash. Wait, how does this going to apply on there? What is happening with the world, guys? What is this? This is a huge fail. Oh my god, look, it's making my eyes water like crazy. Okay, well, we're gonna take these puppies off because obviously this isn't working. Okay, let's try this again, guys. If not, we're gonna move on to try the hack. Oh my god. Okay, I give up. I give up, guys. I give up. So this was a huge fail so far. These are definitely not the most user-friendly things. I can't imagine anybody that can make this work. I mean, please let me know if you found somebody that can make this work just like they are, because so far this is not working out so well. So we're gonna go ahead and try the hack that I learned from this other YouTuber. And basically we're just going to cut these puppies. Well, we're gonna cut the bottom one, I guess. She recommends it, so you're gonna leave the top one. And I think these are just about the same, right? They're the same size. I mean, yes, they're exactly the same size as you can see right here. So this is both top and bottom. Let me see if I can separate them for you guys. And ta-da! Okay, so it doesn't matter which one I cut, so we're gonna go ahead and try to cut one of them. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but this one actually has 4 magnets on the rim or the bend of the eyelash. So we're gonna cut along those magnets. And what she recommended was you're gonna take the 2 middle ones and you're gonna cut right there and then leave the middle bend just like it is. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Whoops, and here we go. We have one piece right here. That's our remaining one right now. I almost feel like putting these on just like this. Alright, so this is the remaining piece, and it almost looks like it will be better for me to wear this piece because it's small. So I wonder if it will work better if I cut both of them. Okay, let's go. We're gonna try the hack first and then we're gonna decide what we're going to do. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the other one and I'm gonna cut along the other magnet. So I guess right there will be good. And now I have no idea what was. Anyway, so I think this one's like the little bigger piece, like this one is going to be the end, the one that goes on the end, and this one is going to be the one that goes in the towards the nose. And then we have our bigger piece right here. Let's try it out now and see if this hack works. So let me bring you guys in closer again so we can try it. So we're gonna go position this. I feel like this is the hardest part, to position the stupid lash on the top one. Okay, just breathe. Just breathe, Moni. Okay, we're gonna try and position this on the top one. Am I out of focus, guys? I don't think you guys can see what I'm doing, huh? Okay, so I'm trying to position this on the top one. God, these are so hard to put on the top. Why? Maybe I needed to curl my lashes a little bit more for this. I feel like it's really weighing them down. My natural lashes are not as curly as they were originally. Okay, we're trying this again. Let's try to position this on top. Why is this so frustrating, guys? Okay, I think I got him. I don't know. Or I don't know, guys. We're gonna try it anyway. Okay, so we're gonna choose one of these bigger pieces. I think it was this one. So I'm gonna grab this smaller piece and I'm gonna try to put it into position with the other one. God, this is so frustrating, guys. Okay, let's try this again. This will not be a time saver for anybody, guys. Let me just tell you that right now. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think I got that first piece into place. It's not bad so far. It's not bad. Okay, let's try to get this other piece now. Okay, so she said get the outer piece first and then work towards the inner side of your eye to get that piece and get the whole eyelash into position, I guess. So we're gonna try to do that. Oh, that was kind of cool. Did you guys see that? I hope the camera catch that. Kind of uncomfortable to wear, to be honest with you guys. I think I messed it up. I definitely did. Okay, we're gonna try to place that one again. The tricky thing is, guys, it's so hard to see where you're placing or where the other magnet is on the top lashes when they're laying on your own lash. So that's what I'm like having so much trouble with. Okay, so I think I got it now. So you can see that's kind of what they're looking like right now. So we're going to try to put that middle piece now, and it shouldn't be that hard, but we'll see. Okay, and lashes are in. Okay, these are definitely way too big for my comfort. Like, I have no eye now. My eye has been totally lost in my eyelashes. Take a look at the difference. What happened here? I mean, yeah, no, I'm not liking this look, guys. To be completely honest with you, I am not liking this look at all. And honestly, I feel like I ordered the Demi Wispies, which are the more like natural looking ones, and they sent me the wrong ones because this is a little bit too dramatic for me. So, okay, well, let's try the other eye and see if this works out. This is probably one of the most frustrating things I've ever done when it comes to like makeup and things like that. Alright, we're gonna try to do the same thing on this one. So okay, I think it was much easier to do this eye than to do this one. God, these are so unbelievably dramatic. I can't deal. Okay, let's try the inner side now. And the middle one. God, how do people wear fake eyelashes all the time? Whoa, here we go, guys. So that is what those are looking like. Let's see, what do they look like from the top? Oh, this one is coming apart. So they do not look like the most natural things, huh? What do you guys think? I mean, that's kind of what they look like from up. I feel like this will totally like just fly out of your eye if it's a really windy day. So this is the final product, guys. I'm looking a little bit weird right now, to be honest with you. I'm not liking this look too much. So does her trick work? Absolutely. I feel like this trick does work. It takes a little bit of practice to do it, but it does work. But like I said, I feel like don't go out there when it's windy because you're gonna lose your eyelashes. So these are extremely heavy to wear. Like, I feel like my eyes are just gonna be so tired from after wearing this for a couple of hours. I don't think I could do this every day, and it's definitely not a time saver for anybody, guys. I think I'm gonna try to cut them and see if I like wearing them just a little bit shorter, just like that, instead of wearing this full lash like this. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna try to do that on video. Okay, guys, I am so frustrated right now. I can't even like. No, just no. I tried cutting them to see if whether they will fit my eye better that way. I don't even know that I'm gonna include that footage because it was so frustrating. It just doesn't work. it's pointless. From a non-lash wearer point of view, just save your money. Like, oh my god, or try the regular lashes. This is the worst fail ever, guys. What in the world? For those of you that still want to try it, I recommend you following Dana's hack. I think it does work. They're extremely heavy, like I said, but if you don't want to go through all that trouble, just don't guys, just don't. I'm done with fake lashes for today. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video nonetheless, even though it was a big fail for me. That will be a big no for magnetic lashes for me. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, if you at least found it entertaining or somewhat helpful. Come back and see me again, and remember to subscribe before you leave, and until then, remember that feeling fabulous, it's all a state of mind. Bye guys.